gamers, welcome to another episode of tutorials. So today we are going to be upgrading our old little slow farm. So I really want to upgrade that efficiency. Efficiency is the key to success. Efficiency. You want to have as much efficiency as possible. So you can get more resources. So we want the items to be flowing into the middle here. This is where we'll be putting a hopper that runs into a chest that's in here. Yes, a chest. So here, dig down, put a chest there, and put the hopper there if I can manage to do it. Good. Okay. So now that we have that, the items will all go into the middle. So if I throw any item there, it will go into the hopper and get collected. And then it will get put into this chest over here. As you can see, I threw 2 smooth stone there, and that just went in. So that's how we want it. Now we need to prevent the bamboo or sugarcane to fall onto these. We need to put that wall there. So you also need slime. Yes, where's the slime? Okay, we don't need the chest anymore. We'll replace that. So now I'll just add one more layer just in case, because you never know when accidents happen. So I'll just do that. I'll do this. This wall up here needs to be made too. So now we need to replace this with grass blocks. Like that. Now that we have that, we need to go 1 block high. We need to go back here. We need to go 1 block taller, like so. We need to make you need to put an observer where the bamboo should be. So we put it there. No, and we make sure it's observing this bamboo here that's gonna be put down here. So now that we have that, we could take this and run the redstone line through. As you can see, that won't work because it has to run through this. So we take the redstone, run it through, and all the way to here. This is where the pistons are going. Oh, I hope I placed this correctly. So I need to put these pistons. These are meant to be sticky pistons. So let's take these sticky pistons instead of these pistons and put these like this. Not facing that direction. We want it facing towards the bamboo that you're gonna place down soon. So after you got that, So bamboo's going here. And then when these push, they should go in. This is my first time testing this. Don't really know if it works or not, but let's see if it works. So just gotta fill in these bits. So if you have this, now push all of it. Oh, we have a problem. We made a clock circuit. So we want to make it so that when the observer observes, it will send out the signal, causing this piston. We don't want that. Cause this piston to push this observer, which will send its signal all the way to here. We don't want this redstone to connect there, so we'll change this to go here. So we'll mine that and see if this works. So the items will get pushed there, but we made another clock circuit. We don't want that. So the only way I know that it's gonna work, but not the most efficient, is you want the if you want the observer up here. Yeah, here, where it will send its signal back, and since the pistons can't push there, then that means they won't be able to push again, because they won't get a signal from the observer. So if you bring the bamboo up here, then those go there. It's not what it should be 100% accurate. So that's it. That's the end. Please smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.